So, greetings of the day to everyone present here. I, Arya, along with Priyanka, are really proud to host today's session of Vixen Couples under the It's Magic Fireside Chat series. Today on the panel, we have Anu and Sanjay Kendri from 82 and 83 batch of Pilani, Charul and Chaitanya from 2010 and 2009 batch of Hyderabad, Sandhya and Yashwant from 2005 batch of Goa campus. So to begin with, we would like the first question to Sanjay and Anu Kendri. What exactly was your story? Like, how did you guys meet and who proposed whom?
Well, so surprisingly, we never met on campus per se, right?
Oh,
Yeah, we didn't know each other on campus. We met during PA.
Nice.
So people from our batch have no idea how we got married. They have never seen us together.
Both batches actually. So a lot of confusion on the line. And in those days, there was no WhatsApp and email was also very flaky. So it took a while to propagate. So quite and then, everybody asks discrete questions to figure out what happened really. But it was PS2.
okay. So what about you, Chaitanya, Charul?
In our case, it was more around we were working together for Computer Science Association, Hyderabad campus, right? So I was in third year, she was in second year, and after that, I was in Amazon at that time, and she started interning in Amazon next year as well, right? So we just was there as well. So yeah.
Okay. Moving to Sandhya and Yashwant, what is your story? Given you guys are from the same batch.
Yeah. We guys are from the same batch. We were friends from, probably day one, I guess. We were in the same batch, same branch. So that's how we were studying together like all the time. And we were in library most of the time. That's where most of the Vixen couple Yeah. Then, like,
That's probably why we never met on campus, Anu and I, because she was good.
So, to Anu and Sanjay, in those times, as you mentioned, you did not have WhatsApp or, the kind of social media thing you have today. So how did you guys used to communicate? Have you written letters to each other? And
So I finished, we finished at the same time from campus in 1987, and I went to the US to do my master's. Whereas he was in India, I started working. And yeah, we used to write letters. They used to take 50 days to reach and things like that. So that's how we used to communicate. Sometimes we used to talk on the phone. Yeah, quite rarely.
But just to be clear, there was no WhatsApp during our time.
Our time also, yeah.
Perhaps messaging, phone was there at least, but there's no WhatsApp during our
Email
time.
was probably there, right? Email was at least there.
Messages were there. They used to have character limits, but yeah, they were there.
And I remember government brought this, government at that time there was something, and there was a limit that you cannot have more than 5 messages a day. That's the max you can do. There was something like a month or two like that.
so what about you, Sandhya and Yashwant? How did you guys communicate? What was your way?
The biggest thing was DC at that point.
DC plus plus.
DC
To be honest.
that was like our main sort of communication. And I think Gmail, obviously,
Yeah.
and we had phones. So
If you guys know Goa campus, it's not really big. So I could actually see where he used to live, and then we used to communicate through lights.
Oh, you mean you were on opposite sides of the lawn?
It's of the, yeah.
literally opposite sides.
Okay.
Yeah, it was fun.
So we are talking old technology, mirror.
Morse code.
Yeah.
So coming to Charul and Chaitanya, what is your favorite memory on campus? Out of all the time you spent together, what is, something that's very memorable for you guys?
So our way of spending time together was we used to just go on long walks. And I remember, since he's a year senior to me, there was this, his final year when he was supposed to leave and the compres were going on. So the exams used to finish at 5 o'clock and the in time was 11 o'clock. So there are times when we have spent the entire 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock time on the roads of the campus. because I knew he was leaving in like 2 weeks, and I was like, this is the only way to meet, so let's just keep walking. So we used to walk, sit down on the side of the roads, the footpath, and then just walk. So like 6-7 hours just walking.
Wow. And what about Anu and Sanjay? Like, what's your favorite memory from your campus days together?
None actually.
We were not together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably the
so
only thing I can remember.
Maybe from PS, like anything that did you guys like, spend time together during PS? Any favorite memory from that time?
We used to do a lot of random, we used to walk around Delhi, Connaught Place, go to the bookshops, old bookshops, and things like that. We were both very fond of reading, so we did that a lot.
That was PS2 during campus. The campus was fun. I mean, I think for most Bitsians, regardless of which campus they went to, you graduated, right? I mean, that was incidental, but there's a lot of stuff. So, and that is what keeps the bonds going. Yeah, we studied a little bit, spent a lot of time in Pilani. I don't think you've been there, but of course, girls had an in time it was called whatever 11 p.m. there too, right? But guys used to hang out, and these to go, especially second semester winter, 1 a.m. in the night, sitting in some small joint, and he's got a small angidi running. You have a big shawl or a blanket or whatever, and he's making fresh samosas and jalebis and tea. I mean, simple pleasures.
Yeah.
Other pleasures too, but these were good.
The only time we were probably together on campus, we were not even probably dating at that time, if you want to call it that, was when we went once from our PS to the campus. And at that time, I remember being on the campus at the same time as him, but we have never been really.
Apogee or something.
I only have very vague memories of him on campus. He had a beard and he was friends with a friend of mine called Nita. So that's how I knew who he was.
So moving to the next question, what was the biggest gesture that you might have made, like after started dating, like be it in the PS or on campus, or whenever you started dating? So like, what was the biggest gesture or like the craziest thing that people call it that you've done for each other?
Wow.
Crazy.
Yeah, I can just think of one thing. Yeah. Probably, I don't know if there's something to say, but there was an illegal way of getting a phone call through to the US. So,
I mean,
okay, expunge that.
What about
think of anything crazy.
What about you, Charul and Chaitanya? Do you have anything?
Sorry, we are boring.
Oh.
I'm sure there would have been things, but right now when you ask the question as to mention one thing, I don't know.
Anything
yeah.
that comes to your mind, like,
Yeah, I think you remember your last pearl when, like, so it was as I said, his last pearl is the BITS Hyderabad fest, and he was hanging out with his friends, and then I was like, obviously, as I said, walking is our thing, so I was waiting for him to come on for a walk, and that I thought was a good gesture.
That was your last day in college, not pearl.
That was your last day in college.
Yeah.
Okay, that was his last day in college.
Like a farewell thing.
Pretty torn between being with me and being with his friends, because we had just like met 6-7 months ago, and obviously he has been with his friends for about 3 years or something, and he did spend the time with me at least till my in time. So that I remember was something special, so to say.
yes. Yeah, small things that are, that make
Memorable.
it special.
Yep.
Yes.
What about you guys, Sandhya and Yashwant?
I think one of the things that I remember very fondly was like we sneaking out. Like most of our friends didn't know, and we just sneaked out, hired a cab, and went out for dinners and stuff here and there. And I think those were gestures that we surprised each other here and there, which was pretty special, and we still remember them. So I think that was pretty good.
I remember one. So like we used to have this electric cookers. So I remember cooking some South Indian food, like some puliogare or
Maggi
something.
revolution.
Yeah. I think like right after that, like the next semester, I guess was when they banned these electric cookers.
Yes.
They started this Maggie revolution or something. Yeah.